First thing I want to do with you, let's go through all the methods just to remind us what's available. Here we go. 5 people. Ready? First method comes to mind. 4 tests. First method. Side, side, side. All 3 pairs of sides. Next up. Ooh, keep it going. 5 different people here. Alexi, different method. Angle, side, angle, but the side has to be in between the 2 angles. Has to be in between. 10, not here. Let's go 12. Finley, another method. Side, angle, side. Again, the angle has to be in between. If it's not, better find something else. All right, there's no SSA, no AAA. Hopefully we learned our lesson from that quiz I just passed back. Next method. 4 tests. You already had one here for me. 6. Alyssa? HL, yep. Anybody HL? Only if I'm dealing with a right triangle. Oh, maybe. Not necessarily, but not automatic, but maybe here. And then the other method, last method here, 18, Lily.
Angle, side.
Yep. If the side's not in between for angle, side, angle, I can still do angle, angle, side. All right, here we go. Back to the proof. Can I put an S next to AX congruent to AY? Can I put an S there? Is that a full pair of sides in the triangles I'm trying to prove congruent? And again, I'm hearing no's and yeses, which tells me this is still a confusion point. AX. Don't look at mine. You guys highlighted them. Is AX a full side in one of those 2 triangles? Yeah. It's right here. Look. It's right here in my yellow one. It's a full side. How about AY? Is AY a full side in one of those triangles? Yeah. So I'm putting an S next to this. I gave you a full pair of sides. Come on in so we can see this. And they already put the right angles in your diagram. In your diagram, I don't grade your diagram. What do I grade? Statements and reasons. So maybe those should go in there eventually. So I have a pair of sides. You guys are on the hook for the other 2 pair. All right, what do you see what do you see here first? Start us off somewhere. Jared, where do you want to start?
The right angle.
Let's take care of the right angles, right? It's a 2-step process. So angle, don't call it angle X and angle Y. Let's call it AXD and angle AYB are right angles. That wasn't given to us. What's going to be the reason why? 17. Dylan, why are they right angles? Perpendicular lines. Good. And now you can tell me they're congruent. And again, even if this is going to end up being an HL proof, do I need to tell you the right angles are congruent? No, but I'm not going to take off for it either. So let's put it in there. All right angles congruent. There's an A, right? So there's got to be something else that we have to see on our own because all the givens are done. Is there anything else that we see on our own that we could apply? Look at both those triangles. Keep looking, keep looking. There's got to be another pair. Focus on the sides and angles. Anybody? We see it? Go ahead, Dylan. What do you say?
There's a shared angle.
Everyone see angle A? Is it a full angle in both those 2 triangles? Yeah, so you can count it. Remember, angles can be reflexive too. So now we can say, if you want to call it angle A, you can because it's the only angle there, or 3 letters. It's up to you. Angle A, reflexive. That gives me a pair of angles. All right, so it's up to you guys now. What's the method? And if you don't like looking at the overlapping triangles, we've talked about drawing one of the triangles out separately and putting all the markings on it so you can see what the method will be. So we are ready to say the triangles are congruent. I just need a method from somebody. So it doesn't look like it was HL here because I have two angles on a side. All right, so what are you coming up with here? Ooh, Jonathan?
Side
Angle, side, angle. Those sides are in between if you drew them out. Okay, questions on your part? Get your Chromebooks out, please. Get your Chromebooks out. I want the answer key opened up for this homework, so once you do a proof, you can check it to see if you have the same steps I do.